Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once a very common bird in eastern North America, the red-headed woodpecker is now uncommon and local in many regions. Once very common throughout the East, but has been decreasing in numbers for years, and recent surveys show that this trend is continuing.
Take our lead.
Each wing measures 12.7 to 15 centimeters, 5.0 to 5.9 in. The tail measures 6.6 to 8.5 centimeters, 2.6 to 3.3 in. The bill measures 2.1 to 3 centimeters, 0.83 to 1.18 in. And the tarsus measures 1.9 to 2.5 centimeters, 0.75 to 0.98 in. The maximum longevity in the wild is 9.9 years.
Take our lead.
Red-headed woodpeckers will eat insects, spiders, earthworms, mice, nuts, berries and corn. You can attract these birds to your feeders by providing black oil sunflower seeds and by placing suet in your suet feeders. Add a birdhouse for your woodpeckers. To these birds, dead wood is a necessity for life.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.